Welcome to Buena Ventura Life. This week we return to Buena Ventura and also Sisu, but that's not filmed, to find storm damage and other things that we need to repair. Please like and subscribe at the end. Thank you. Well, here we are. I just put a load, put the cases up, looking at the damage. We've got quite a bit. That blew out, tarp ripped, and overall, boat's still here. But, yeah, looks okay. And starboard. Got to cut that down eventually. Things look good. Have all the fenders. Stern looks good. And there's Gale. So, yeah, we suffered some in this storm. I think she'll be okay. Had temporary, unfortunately this one window blew out. So I need to retrieve it. See if I can just slide it up temporarily to get it up and maybe a line around it or something. Ospreyer in their nest. There's the osprey nest over there. And I don't know. I don't see anybody. Could be they're out fishing or something. Hopefully they didn't get blown out. What I got to do is I got to give Gale some water. So what we'll do is get on board. And put you down. And over there we have osprey. Looking beautiful. That's where the eagle used to sit. And then waiting, well, the eagle would sit waiting for chow. Okay. Little baby. Guarantee Mama's over there and she's not going to let an eagle come down and get this one. Run for a while. Clear it out. Had some stuff inside. That is downright gross. Who is living inside my hose? Ew. See what we got here. The sound of breakfast cooking. Induction plates, sausage. Look at those. This is local. It's a local Virginia brand. Doesn't have too much that is identifiable. And over here, some hash browns cooking away. This is a typical breakfast. Now, when I get ready to do eggs, I'm going to make one that goes over here into Gail's bowl. So Gail gets her bowls under the table right now. It's a work zone. It's not living, it's work zone. And we got some disinfecting wipes to take home. I'm going to bring a couple of rolls of paper towels. Over here, eggs are finishing. Next up, finishing touches. A little sriracha. Little tapatio. We got spices in the spice rack. Toast is buttered. Only thing we're missing, food. Oh, we're eating it. And Gail has hers. Gail, come here. There you go. Come on. Let's munch. Muncha. Muncha. Come on. Munch. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Thank you for watching Buena Ventura Life. I hope you enjoyed this week. Next week may be different. Oh, it will be different. Thank you, and
dog
please
looks like
click like and subscribe.
Her scrambled egg.
Yep.